Today, we are diving into a direct comparison of BoldDesk versus Zendesk, two major players in the customer service software market. We'll cover their ease of use, AI agent, complexity, features, and a clear pricing breakdown. Let's get started. Hey, Shivam here, and if you would like to try it out, then you can do so with the 15 days of free trial from the links in the description. Starting with ease of use, because if a tool is not easy to use, then it's not usable. With BoldDesk, its core appeal is simplicity. The UI is modern, clean, and optimized for quick navigation. Onboard was guided. I got it fully set up in under an hour, and all the core tools like ticketing, automations, and reporting are right where you would expect. Also, it gives you a tour of the platform, which makes it easy to understand. Also, you would notice that there's an Ask AI button at the top. When you are stuck, you can press this button and ask anything to the AI co-pilot. On the other hand, Zendesk offers a more minimal dashboard, but it feels outdated to me. Setup screens have more options, and while that's perfect for large enterprises, SMBs might find it overwhelming at first. I found BoldDesk settings to be much simpler and easier while still providing advanced features. Also, you will find the help centers of both for easier and great places to learn about the tools. AI agent. BoldDesk includes built-in AI right from their mid-tier plans, offering smart ticket suggestions, automated summaries, and even draft replies for agents. The AI is woven into workflow. There is little configuration needed, so you get value out of the box. Let's break it down further for clarity. AI agent is a fully autonomous virtual support assistant that can automate routine inquiries, call external APIs, and free your team to focus on complex cases. You can tailor every reply to your brand's tone and length. It resolves repeated queries automatically using the knowledge base or custom answers. AI Copilot is designed to simplify customer support processes, boost agent efficiency, and provide quicker, more precise responses to customer queries. This feature is exclusively available to agents and cannot be accessed by end users. It suggests smart, context-aware replies to chats and support tickets using knowledge from articles, web pages, custom content, and uploaded files. Agents can query the AI Copilot, which generates clear and relevant answers to their questions. Zendesk provides advanced AI and bot features, but these mostly show up in their Suite team plan or above. If your business needs deep AI customization and has complex scenarios, Zendesk's AI Suite is a powerhouse, but for most SMBs, BoldDesk's instant AI tools hit the sweet spot for value and ease. Let's talk about pricing, since that's often the make or break factor for many businesses. BoldDesk offers highly competitive pricing, and its scale plan begins at just $12 per agent per month when billed annually. The Momentum plan steps up to $25 per agent per month, followed by Enterprise plan at $39, both annual rates. These transparent, tiered options mean that small teams can start affordably and only pay more as their needs grow. In contrast, Zendesk pricing starts higher. They offer two categories. One is customer support only, and the second is employee service, which is a bit expensive. With customer service, the support team plan is at $19 and the Suite team plan is $55, and Suite Professional is at $115, all per agent per month when billed annually. And these are the pricing for an annual subscription to the employee service. Essentially, Zendesk entry point is higher than that of BoldDesk, and powerful and advanced features are typically required moving up to these higher tier plans or purchasing extra add-ons. Let's do the math. If we have 20 agents and we go with the mid-tier plan of both of the services, then it would cost us $1,100 with the Zendesk. Then with the BoldDesk, it would be $500, both per month when billed annually. The difference is $600 per month, more than double of the price. And if you have more agents, then the difference will increase. Rest, let's look at other aspects for better evaluation. Complexity and customization. Here's the real fork in the road. Zendesk excels in customization. You can tweak workflows, integrate with hundreds of apps, and set granular permissions. It's enterprise grade, but with that power comes a steeper setup curve. BoldDesk keeps things intentionally streamlined. Custom workflows and rules exist, but they are easy to set up and won't bury you in options. API access is present, but less sprawling than Zendesk. Now let's talk about what we actually get. feature by feature. BoldDesk keeps it tight and modern. Out of the box, you get core helpdesk tools like multi-channel ticketing, like email, web forms, and social, an integrated knowledge base, and canned response templates. There's collision detection so two agents won't trip over the same ticket, and built-in SLA management to make sure issues don't fall through the cracks. Automations are front and center. Things like auto-signing tickets based on tags, etc. just click into place, and we don't need to jump through technical hoops. You also get report dashboards that are visual and immediately useful, showing you pending tickets, response times, and trends at a glance. Even basic plans include things like custom views, workflow automations, and a customer portal right out of the gate. BoldDesk supports 30 plus languages with AI-powered translation built in. This makes it a fantastic choice for global teams or business serving diverse customer bases. BoldDesk offers a unified omni-channel inbox, think social media DMs, chat, email, WhatsApp integration, SMS, and more, all in one view. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with key tools like Slack, Shopify, and Salesforce to keep your workflow connected. Zendesk brings the heavyweight toolset, especially if your business is sprawling or deeply customized. You will see omnichannel support like email, chat, phone, social, and more, advanced macros for complex workflow, a robust app and integration marketplace, and deeper analytics modules. There's also the benefit of extensive permissions that enable you to give granular access by team or workflow. But here's the catch: many advanced or enterprise features live in the higher tier plan or require setup via apps. Initial dashboard might feel scattered until you configure them. Now that we have compared all the aspects, you can see why people are leaning toward BoldDesk. A major advantage is the cost saving. It offers savings for team, especially at the mid-tier, and considering all the major features, if not more, as compared to Zendesk, even at a lower price bracket. Also, with free migration and up to 6 months of contract buyout if coming from Zendesk, it sweetens the deal. Now you can check out both of the services from the link in the description. However, that's it from my side. Now it's for you to decide. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.